In this video, I want to show you how you can ship using some simple shipping techniques with a handheld device using Agility Mobile. So the first thing we would do is go look at a sales order that we want to look at. And the order is 1240. And so we have a couple items. We got A0001 through 2, 3, and 4. We got some office print printers and some and a color printer. All right, so on the handheld, I'll go to the handheld device. There's a couple ways we can do this. We can go to just a sales order delivery here. And with the sales order delivery, we just simply scan the sales order, scan an item, scan a bin, and just start putting the quantity in one line at a time. And so every time you put a quantity in and hit enter, it's going to go through and just create a delivery note for each one of those lines. Another way to do it is to do sales order picking. So if you take a sales order and create a pick ticket out of it, I create a pick list. In this case, I have pick list 5, and I would scan an order number that's on that pick list, and I would scan the item, and scan the bin, scan the quantity, and I go through each one of these line items of all the orders that are on that pick list, and when I'm done, I can just simply click delivery on the pick list, and it'll create a delivery note for all the orders that are on that pick list. The other way to do it too is a directed sales order picking. So we're getting a little bit more complicated now, but it also simplifies it a bit and streamlines it. So if I put the picking number 5, it immediately tells me the first order and item to go get based on the bin sequence. So it's telling me to go to bin 05A11, remaining is 3. Okay, and I can hit the down arrow key and see what's next, and what's next, and what's next, and what's next. Now I'm back to the beginning of the list again. Okay, so it's going to go in bin sequence. So if I put in 3 and hit enter, it's going to go ahead and pick it. So now it's been marked as picked for that amount, and it's automatically telling me to go stay. It's going to tell me to stay right here in bin A11 for the next item because we're already here. So it's going to go in bin sequence. So do 2 for that one. Okay, and then lastly we have bin 5311. So we just put in our quantity 5. And so forth. So we just keep going through and doing each line that it tells us to go through in bin sequence. And then when I'm done, I just click delivery, and it'll create a delivery note for those orders on that pick list. All right, so that's the simple shipping techniques. There are other advanced shipping techniques that you can find in other videos that we do, and those are going to include things like loading full pallets onto a shipment or building up mixed pallets as they go out the door. Same with cartons and packing cartons and loading cartons, as well as UPS and FedEx and USPS type of shipping logistics. So you want to go check that out if you want to see other advanced shipping techniques. And that's it for today. Thanks.